Hello, welcome to the very first episode of Favorites of Friends on How To Cooking. Today I have a special dear friend of mine that has supplied me often when I've been sick or down with surgery and stuff with a Cabbage Tasso Soup. That is a regional dish. It's popular around this area. It's a southern dish, and she's going to teach me how to make it in case I ever don't have her to fall back on. So sit back, enjoy this first episode, and I know you're going to love the dish. Don't forget to follow your steps. First, lay out your ingredients, and then read over the recipe, the instructions, and get out what you're going to need. You don't want to be caught short-handed looking for something while something's on the fire. Okay, we've got all our ingredients laid out and the tools we need. You don't need much. You need a big pot for the soup. You need a microwavable covered dish to steam your cabbage down, which I'll talk to you about when I'm going through the actual cooking and why you want to do that. It's not a whole lot of ingredients either, so it's a somewhat simple recipe, but I'm telling you, you're going to get a lot of thumbs up for this one. Show you another little trick here. When you get your cabbage and you get it peeled, ready to start cutting up, if you take and you slam the stalk down hard on a counter a few times, you're able to pull that stalk out. So a little trick I learned when I was working at the old Chateau Charles, working buffets. When I chop my cabbage up, I don't chop it up too fine. Not if you're a fan of cabbage. I mean, if you want it to break all up, that's fine. But if you like having some chunks of cabbage and some substance to your soup, don't chop it up too fine. Then I'm going to put it in the microwave with about a cup of chicken broth poured over it to wet it down, keeps it from drying out. And I'm going to microwave it for about 10 minutes. This will save you literally an hour off of the cooking time. Finished for everything, so we're going to have our taste testing now. We'll see how it all comes out.